We are here in San Jose, California. Santana Row. This is the Rodeo Drive of the North. So let's take a walk through around this area.
Elegance and style shine at Santana Row, the Rodeo Drive of Silicon Valley. You'll find an upbeat energy throughout the beautiful Mediterranean-style shopping and entertainment district every day of the week. Spend the day strolling down the row and indulging in high-end brands, cutting-edge boutiques, and culinary delights in the 70 shops, 20 restaurants, and 9 spas and salons. Santana Row derives its name from Frank M. Santana, who served as San Jose's Planning Commission in the 1950s. The 42-acre village within a city was developed as a luxury, mixed residential and shopping district between 2001 to 2002 for the cost of $450 million, and was at the time regarded as the most ambitious project of its kind in the United States. The site was previously a town and country village. On August 19, 2002, during construction, the largest building at Santana Row, Building 7, called Santana Heights, caught fire. The fire eventually caused $130 million in damage, and the fire spread to at least 13 apartment buildings, some with wooden roofs, nearly a mile downwind of the shopping center on Moore Park Avenue, across Interstate 280. It was the largest structure fire in San Jose's history. But Santana Row continued to develop and grow. In 2010, it was called an arguably successful mixed-use development. The row continues to expand and celebrated its 10th anniversary on November 7, 2012. Known as an established and thriving shopping and dining destination combining office, residential, and 5-star hotel. So let's take a walk around this row. If you get tired walking around, try out this local Bay Area establishment, Coca-Cola.
Lahat na. Ano ba yung
Ito natin lahat. Parehas lang ba yun? Ay, parehas lang yun.
Oo, pareho.
Ito, tutuloy na sa babae kanina.
Okay.
May cheesecake din.
So we decided to try one of their local places here, which is the Coca-Cola Bakery Coffee Shop, which is a locality here in the Bay Area.
This one tastes like banana chocolate. Ito masarap to. This is good.
What does it
This one is
taste like?
firecracker.
Firecracker?
This one is like there's a firecracker inside.
Maybe that's the bloody orange.
Bibili niya lahat.
Tapos,
Titikman niya first slice, pero hindi naman half. 1/4 lang.
kasi maubos.
Oo, di ba yung
Dapat naging adik ka ng sweets.
So we're gonna try that one.
Yeah.
What's the taste?
Sweet, like vanilla. The one you put on top of the tart. The white bottom is a hard red cake.
Oh, 50% pala ng America nang nababaksin. Eh kasi anti-vaxxer. Parang bed vaccine yan. Oo. Pwede din. Ano lang? Dati, ngayon hindi naman siya. Marami nga palang aso doon. Marami nga palang aso doon. Ayan, container store. Ha? Ha? Oh, jangan pelukan tujuh. Tapi ada tujuh ini.
So guys, that's it for walking around Santana Row. Until next time, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe. Bye!
So guys, if you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel and feel free to comment. Hit the bell, hit the bell, hit the bell, hit the bell. Come on guys, hit the bell.
For notifications. And don't forget to share.
And like!